Predictive maintenance tools use AI to predict when equipment is likely to fail. By analyzing data from sensors and historical records, these tools allow you to schedule maintenance proactively, preventing costly downtime and extending the lifespan of your equipment. AI-powered simulation tools allow you to run complex simulations much faster than traditional methods. These simulations can model real-world conditions with high accuracy, enabling you to test different design options and scenarios without the need for physical prototypes. This allows you to optimize your designs for performance, cost, and other factors, ensuring that the final product meets all necessary criteria and standards. Section 4. Real-world wins AI-powered engineering success. We're already seeing some pretty amazing examples of how AI is being used to boost productivity in engineering. Case Study 1. A large construction company used AI to optimize the design of a skyscraper. The AI algorithm was able to reduce the building's material usage by 15%, resulting in significant cost savings. Case Study 2. An aerospace company used AI to design a more fuel-efficient airplane wing. The AI-generated design was 3% more efficient than the previous best design, saving the company millions of dollars in fuel costs. Section 5. The future is AI, embracing the revolution. AI is still in its early stages of development. However, the progress we've seen so far is nothing short of remarkable. From simple algorithms to complex neural networks, AI is evolving at a rapid pace, but it's clear that it has the potential to revolutionize the field of engineering. Imagine a world where AI can predict system failures before they happen or optimize designs in real time. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more powerful tools and applications that will boost productivity and transform the way engineers work. These advancements will not only make tasks easier, but also open up new possibilities we haven't even dreamed of yet. This is an exciting time to be an engineer. The integration of AI into engineering practices is creating a dynamic and innovative environment. So, what does this all mean for you? It means that the tools and technologies you have at your disposal are becoming more advanced and capable. It's time to embrace AI and start exploring how you can use it to boost your own productivity. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, AI offers something for everyone. There are tons of resources available to help you get started. There are online courses, workshops, and tutorials that can guide you through the basics and beyond, and even free tools that you can start using today. These resources are designed to make AI accessible to everyone, regardless of your background or experience level. The future of engineering is here, and it's powered by AI. Embrace this revolution and be a part of the transformation that is shaping the world of tomorrow.